Hey friends, welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. Today we're going to draw Snoopy, so let's get started. First, we're going to start with the ears, so you have to make a curved line from here. Take it all the way to the top and curve. Now you're going to start from here and connect this to the nose. Now we're going to draw the features, like facial features of the face. So we're going to make eyes right over here. That looks really cute. And now we're going to draw a little smile. Okay. Now the nose, we can color it in. And now the little mark thingy they have on their ears. Just like that. Okay. Now we're going to draw a little hat. So we're going to make a weird shape like this. Like, you know, there's like bend down. Fluffy pom-pom. Okay, now that we have done with the face, we can continue with the body. Now we're going to draw like a line from here and a line from here. It's more curved. Now we're going to draw like the hand. So we're going to make this weird little shape. Okay, now we can continue with the pants. Pants, they are jeans. Just like that. And now we're going to, oh, I forgot to do this. Okay, now we're going to make the little feet. So we're going to make a little weird shape right over here. And we're going to make another shape like this. Connect these together. And connect them. Just like that. And yes, it's the end of our Snoopy drawing. I hope you loved it. And stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching.